Hey everybody, today we're going to be looking at Wikipedia. So Wikipedia is one of those sources where many teachers probably tell you not to use it. So you want to start off after watching this video, you're going to want to take a look at the one that says watch this before completing the Wikipedia assignment. It basically goes through how Wikipedia is actually sorted and ranked. So I actually use Wikipedia as a starting point for a lot of my research that I still do, as I'm still taking classes now for my master's program. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to open up this document after you watch that video and they talk about some of these skills. And it does open in pages, so make sure that you still have pages downloaded on your iPad. Just because it'll be a little bit easier for you to modify this article. But basically you're going to pick a topic that you want to look up. So you're just going to go to Wikipedia and type in something that you're interested in. So like if I wanted to do dogs, I'm going to go through here and I'm going to look for the different things that are on the page. So after watching that previous video, you're going to look up for cleanup banners. So basically like is Wikipedia flagging it almost and saying like, hey, we want people on our website to take a look at it. And you're going to use these different tabs across the top. So honestly, before teaching this class, I'd never even really noticed these before. But you're going to go through these different tags like the talk one, and you're going to see what people are talking about and hear how they're editing these sources and kind of all the different things that people on Wikipedia do to edit their articles. So you're going to be looking for, let's see, those different banners that we were already talking about. Is it written? You're going to look for biases that we've talked about a little bit. Are all the important facts referenced? So if we're looking at the article itself again, are they using references within the sources? So you can see those listed here. And then what else do we got? Does it look complete or incomplete? You're going to take a look at some of the references. So if we scroll down to the bottom, we have all the references down here. So normally, like if you're looking at one of these pages, if it has a decent amount of references, it's pretty good. And you can see that the one on dogs has a ton. So it's probably going to be at least a page that people are passionate about. So you'd click on one of these and you're going to look at the additional resources and then kind of analyze these to see if you think that they are reliable as well. This one looks like it's in Latin or something, so maybe not one to pick. But you're going to take a look at the resources that were cited. And then you're going to click on the discussion tab, the talk and the discussion. So we go to the top, click on talk, and then there's different things that people are talking about on here. So it's just kind of interesting to see what people are doing. Like the the dog meat map. So you can take a look at these. It's pretty interesting. So anyway, excuse me. Anyway, that's kind of what we're going to be looking like for this one. So you're just going to basically rank your Wikipedia article and the sites that it sources to say whether you think it's reliable or not. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Shouldn't be too bad of an activity for you.